So here we are at Sawbridgeworth Village Hall, and in a moment we're going to pop inside and talk to Peter Lee, who runs this establishment. He's done a fantastic job of building up the use of this village hall over the years. And 5 years ago he installed HeatingSave, and he's rather pleased that he did, especially given the price of energy nowadays. So let's pop inside now, have a look and see what Peter's got to tell us. So, hello Peter.
Hello,
thank you so
much.
I'm fine, thank you, and thank you so much for allowing us to come around and see the HeatingSave system in your village hall here. So, shall we go through and it's through one of these doors here, is it?
Yeah.
So through this door here. Okay, thank you very much. So here we are at Sawbridgeworth Memorial Hall, and you put in HeatingSave, didn't you? Well, how long ago was that?
I think it was about 5 years ago.
About 5 years ago. And why did you want to put in HeatingSave? What was the raison d'etre behind that?
Well, we were having the heating on every day from 9 till 9 at night.
Wow.
And then classes were, staggered all during the day. And the ideal was to turn the heating on and off all day.
Yes.
But we didn't really have a system around that would do it.
Okay.
So we were looking for something that had a bit of intelligence and using computers to operate the system.
And so we put in HeatingSave, and the system you've got now, and you can see the HeatingSave controller over in the corner here.
Yeah, that's very good.
It's sort of, I'll push the button on the front just so you can see it does actually work. But it just hides there. It doesn't do anything, does it?
I mean, you can see it's in amongst all the toys, and etc. But we don't have to go to it; it just runs itself.
No. So basically,
I think I've been to it once in 5 years.
Wow. Okay.
So
yeah.
So
he's sitting in the background, doing all this clever stuff with the artificial intelligence algorithms and things like this.
Yeah, it's good.
And so when the system was first put in, have you still got the same system you put first in, or have you expanded it at all?
We have got the same system that you put in,
right?
But we are about to expand it.
Oh,
you
good.
don't know about that.
Good.
So
no, that's excellent. Splendid.
So yes, and we would undoubtedly put it in the extension.
Yes,
excellent. It has to.
And the extension, that's a new build, is it, or is
it's going to be on top of this?
On top of that one, on top of the existing building.
Yeah.
Okay, that's absolutely excellent. Okay, so tell me, with HeatingSave, what would you say are the biggest advantages? What's really made the difference for you? Because obviously you put this in before the energy prices quadrupled.
Absolutely.
So you must be really pleased now, mustn't you?
We had benefit before that, but we're so delighted now, obviously, because we probably reduced our gas bill by 30%.
Wow!
So it was massive.
Yes.
And it was a great thing to do, and so environmentally the right thing to do, not to be burning all that gas for no reason.
So saving the planet and saving your purse.
Yeah, absolutely. But also the hall is comfortable when people arrive, because we have the heating come on a few minutes before they arrive, so they're getting the warmth straight away. So they're not coming into a musty old village hall type environment. It's coming in, it feels very pleasant, and we just had much better control.
And of course the utilisation of this building is, I mean, we're not 100%, but it's pretty high up there, isn't it?
It is very high now compared to even what it was 5 years ago, and that's some of that is because people want to come here, because it isn't that traditional musty hall smell that I kind of remember as a child. That was a long time ago. But it's just got so many advantages. We've got 2 higher rooms. And we can set one temperature different to the other temperature depending on the levels of activity. Like now there's a table tennis group just about to arrive, and we don't have the heating on in that area. It's all done automatic, and the group next to them is a baby group, And well, we can put that on at 20 degrees.
Yes, indeed.
Or 21 degrees, whatever we want to choose.
Yes.
And the program just takes care of it all.
Yes, and that's quite a unique thing within HeatingSave, the ability to have different temperatures in different areas depending on the bookings that are made. And that's been quite useful.
Done automatically. Yes. And the big thing for us is that this is all controlled by the booking calendar system that we operate.
Indeed, yes.
And it just administrates all the bookings. It's fantastic.
So also that link between HeatingSave and the booking system.
Yeah,
I mean, HeatingSave Duff has its own booking system. Do you use that?
Yes,
or
we do.
You do.
Yes, we
So you use the HeatingSave booking system, and that link between then people going online and booking
they
rooms.
book it online. They pay online. We take the bookings. We administrate everything online. Okay. It saved us endless amount of volunteer time for the bookings manager, or if you were to recruit one, some people use paid staff, we don't. But it just saves loads of time.
And that is the point, isn't it? Because a lot of people don't realise that a lot of the village halls around the countryside, there's people giving their own time for free to do
and
this.
This frees up your time.
Yes.
It's a great system. You put in jobs to do and job lists and everything in it. It's like a whole. It is a business management system, building management system.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh, I find that's excellent. Right, well, so it was super, and thank you so much for giving us your time today and your thoughts on it. And we're absolutely delighted
really
you're going to buy some more.
Yes, without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Right. Well, thank you very much indeed.
All right, thank you.